Morning YouTube, morning the Silver Forum. I'm just conserving this, so I just thought I'd film it. It's a 2022 matte BU striking the day. It's rather dirty. It's got a lot of black marks on there, and there is a good number of fingerprints. I think it looks like it's just been dropped on the floor, but it's rather dirty, and once you get up close and personal with this coin, it's definitely seen better days. So this is the before. There is a honking big thumbprint on this one. It's hard to see, but it's just in front of her face. You can see it. Doesn't always show up on camera, but it's definitely there. And there's just a lot of general sort of detritus on this coin, and it's lost its pearlescence. A lot of these mattes have a sort of like a pearlescent finish to them, and it looks dull. So I don't know if somebody has tried to clean this beforehand. I don't know. I'm not expecting miracles with this coin, but we'll have a look and at the end results in a minute. So this one is the first attempt. The black marks have been reduced. You can see them if you know where they were at the top corner there. It's still there slightly. It still persists a little bit, but overall it looks a lot cleaner. The thumbprint on the obverse is gone, which was in front of her head. The fields look a lot brighter now. There is still some of that pearlescence remaining. There is the odd spot left. I will give this another attempt just to see if I can remove the odd little bit. But overall, I think it is looking better than it was. It's certainly not looking handled now like it was. And all the sort of fluff and hairs and marks are more or less off the coin. And if you're looking at this coin under a normal loupe, it's very hard to see where the marks are now. This is under quite high magnification and the most light I can get to show it. So I'm just going to have a go at that black mark almost at 12 o'clock. And there's a little spot there under the 2. Again, can't promise anything, but we'll see how it goes. So this is the final result. It's looking a lot fresher. There is the odd little mark on there. Like I say, I'm not a miracle worker, but it looks great to the eye again, this coin. Certainly doesn't look like it's been wiped with a cloth or been on the floor or anything like that. Just being careful. And the marks at 12 o'clock are pretty much invisible now. And again, the marker under the 2. And again, looking at this coin with the naked eye or even under a loupe, it looks significantly better. So thanks for watching. This is for the guys on this Silver Forum. I just need to upload it to YouTube so they can embed it and have a look at the video, because it's just easy to transfer the files. So thanks for watching, and thanks for the support on the Silver Forum. I only charge 22 quid, £22.50 for conservation of a coin like this, and that includes Royal Mail special delivery return visit. So I don't charge a lot for this service. It's something that I enjoy doing. I certainly need to be in the mood for it. Sometimes I do get coins, and especially with stubborn ones, I will deliberately leave them for a few days, because if you try and sort of force the issue, you can make a right balls of it if you're not careful. So overall, I think the gentleman in question is going to be happy with the results of that one. I'll include a couple of photographs before and after. Thanks for watching. If you need my services, you can contact me through the Silver Forum or just PM me through YouTube, and I will help you make your coins look a lot better. Thank you very much. Ta-ra.